this is Michelle from Chelle Colorado, and I wanted to say welcome to the Salida Fiber Festival. So excited to be there in person this year. I am out here in my studio, and I just wanted to give you a little idea of what it is I'm going to have for you at the festival. I like to focus on domestically raised and sourced products, and so I have here some targi that's grown in the U.S., targi braids in comb top, and you can use this for spinning or wet felting or needle felting. And I have a lot of other spinning fibers available. I have some bats, I have some undyed roving, a wide variety of things. Speaking of felting, I like to do needle felting, and I teach some classes in that, so I have some needle felting kits available. I also love yarn, and I have my own San Luis Valley worsted weight yarn. I have that in several colors, and I've also developed some kits of colorwork hats for them. There's 6 colorways, so hopefully you'll find one that you like there. And I love doing drop spindle spinning, and I will be doing a drop spindle demo out in the public pavilion area, but you're welcome to come by my booth anytime and I will help you get started with drop spindle spinning. I think it's really important for anybody who works with yarn to learn about the structures of yarn and what goes into making it, so I am most happy to help you with that. You'll see my website there down below here in the video, so you can stop by there and see the rest of the things that I'll have for you, and I am looking forward to seeing you at the festival. Bye.